Enjoy better control over how amenities are reserved and operated at your communities with Zego Mobile Doorman, your all-in-one solution for managing an exceptional resident experience. Residents can easily schedule and update reservations through their intuitive mobile app, while properties can limit occupancy, add cleaning blocks, require waivers, and more to ensure compliance and smooth operations. Residents manage amenities from their community app. Amenities are viewable at a glance, including real-time availability calendars by month or day, depending on the amenity type. Each amenity includes photos and a detailed descriptions page with information and booking requirements. To make a new reservation, residents select their preferred time from the available options. Add any extra reservable spaces they'd like, such as a pool cabana, and indicate the number of guests. They read and agree to the amenity waiver if needed and book their spot. Multiple amenity types can be booked through Zego. For example, a dog park with flexible start and end times, or a guest suite, which can be reserved for multiple days and guests. Upcoming reservations are highlighted on the amenity's home screen and can be easily edited. Any updates are automatically reflected on the amenity's real-time calendar. Property staff have granular control over amenity creation and management from their Zego staff web portal. Existing reservations can be viewed at a glance from the home screen dashboard. Amenities can be customized with detailed availability start and end times, automatic 30-minute cleaning buffers, and reservation time limits. You may also specify if guests are allowed and how many. Plus, set a maximum number of reservations allowed per resident or unit so an amenity is not being monopolized. To simplify operations, amenities can be made available for multiple properties across your portfolio. Existing reservations can be viewed, and new reservations can quickly be added on behalf of a resident with automatic notifications. New amenities can be created with photos and details in just a few clicks using a single template, including the option to include an amenity waiver with signature frequency requirements. Adding extra reservable spaces for an amenity such as pool cabanas, fitness center treadmills, and yoga rooms is also quick and easy. Finally, in addition to amenities, you may include smaller items to be reserved through the resident app, such as vacuums or games. Give your staff the control they need to safely and effectively manage amenities with Zego Mobile Doorman, your all-in-one app for managing an exceptional resident experience.